Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. I made a video before to show you how to download and install BitDefender antivirus free, but it seems that some people do not like BitDefender, so I'll be showing you how to uninstall it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is go ahead and go to Start, and you can go to pretty much Settings, and you can go to Apps, and scroll down until you see the file is called BitDefender. So we'll choose BitDefender for it and press uninstall. And you'll probably be prompted for this. Go ahead and press uninstall. And then you'll press yes. It tells us, are you sure you want to give up protection? And we're going to go ahead and press yes if you want it to be uninstalled. And pretty much the web started coming up, little pop-ups have coming up. Let it continue doing its work. And it's pretty much gone from there. So the next part that you're probably need to do is also to uninstall, not really delete, to uninstall the BitDefender agent. It'll probably tell us that it might be needs to be uninstalled too. Taking a little bit. Let's see if it hasn't actually cleared it. There it goes. It is clear, and that should be good. Now, in some reason, if you don't see it there underneath there, you can also still go to like Control Panel and get to that location. Then go to Programs, Programs and Features, and you should see if the program is in there, and you can select it and uninstall it. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.